Hello, and thank you for taking a moment to learn more about our suggested purging procedures for purging with Dyna-Purge, specifically for performing a resin or color change in an injection molding machine. We will review the instructions for a hot runner with the mold open. Before we get started, a note about safety. Before performing any procedure, it is the machine operator's responsibility to be aware of their company's safety policy, to wear the appropriate personal protective equipment, and to make sure that only authorized personnel are in the affected area. Now let's begin the procedure. Disconnect or shut off any auxiliary feeding equipment. Thoroughly clean the hopper material feed system, ensuring all components are clean. Maintain the temperature and RPM settings for your resident resin. Retract the injection unit from the mold, leaving ample room for the purge to exit the nozzle. Empty the barrel and screw of your resident resin. Now introduce Dyna-Purge at 1 to 2 times barrel capacity into the empty hopper or side port. Please note the actual amount of purge that is needed will depend on your specific machine conditions. Now increase the back pressure to the maximum safe level for your machine. And with the screw in the forward position, begin purging. If you are unable to purge with the screw in the forward position, set the machine shot size to between 50% and the maximum allowable setting. Continue to purge until the purging compound being flushed out of the machine appears clean. Next, reduce the back pressure and run 2 to 4 high velocity short shots to clean the check ring. Now you will need to thoroughly clean the machine nozzle and sprue bushing, removing any contamination. Place lava shield or another protective device between the mold halves to catch the purge. Boost the hot runner temperatures between 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 10 degrees Celsius, and 100 degrees Fahrenheit, or 37 Celsius, over the set point. Be careful not to exceed the recommended process temperature range for your resin. Set the shot size to between 50 and 75% of the available shot. Now, move the injection unit forward to make contact with the mold sprue bushing and begin purging through the hot runner. Continue running Dyna-Purge until the purge being flushed out appears clean. If the hot runner is valve gated, you can open and close the gates individually to improve cleanliness and purging efficiency. Thoroughly clean the hopper and adjust the temperature settings for your next production resin. Then, use your resin to flush out or post-purge the remaining Dyna-Purge. Reset the shot size for your part. Check the gates in the mold for any blockage or drool. You are now ready to start your production run.